When driving a Subaru with eyesight technology, you may encounter a keep hands on steering wheel warning. This alert is a crucial safety feature designed to ensure driver engagement during semi autonomous driving modes. The warning appears specifically when your Subaru's eyesight system detects insufficient contact with the steering wheel during assisted driving modes. This includes lane centering assist and adaptive cruise control. Adaptive cruise control is another mode that triggers this warning. When ACC is active, your Subaru maintains speed and following distance automatically, but the system still requires your hands on the steering wheel for safety. The technology behind this warning involves sophisticated sensors built into your steering wheel. Capacitive touch sensors detect the electrical conductivity from your hands, while torque sensors monitor your steering input. This warning system serves as a safety net, ensuring you remain alert and ready to take control of your vehicle. Even when eyesight is assisting with driving, you are still the primary driver responsible for the vehicle's operation. The keep hands on steering wheel warning appears when Subaru's sensors detect insufficient contact with the steering wheel during semi-autonomous driving modes. The system uses capacitive sensors and torque sensors to monitor your grip. When these sensors don't detect adequate hand contact for 8 to 12 seconds, the warning system activates. The warning system follows a 4-step escalation process designed to get your attention without being overly intrusive. It starts with a visual dashboard alert, then adds an audio chime. If you still don't respond, the system begins limiting functionality, reducing the effectiveness of lane centering and adaptive cruise control. Finally, if hands remain off the wheel, the system completely disengages for safety. When you see the warning, the solution is simple. Increase your grip on the steering wheel. Place your hands at the 10 and 2 o'clock positions with firm contact. This warning is essential because Subaru vehicles operate at SAE Level 2 automation. At this level, the driver must remain engaged and ready to take control at any moment. Newer Subaru models from 2023 onwards feature enhanced eyesight technology with improved sensor accuracy. These refined sensors reduce false positive warnings by 35% while maintaining safety standards. The system works even when wearing gloves, but ensure you're making adequate contact. If warnings persist, try adjusting your grip position or removing thick gloves for better sensor contact. Remember, this safety system exists because even with advanced driver assistance, you remain responsible for vehicle control. The hands-on requirement ensures you can respond immediately to any situation the automation cannot handle.